Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So we all know that it is the October month, which means it is the spooky month. It's the Halloween month, and for the first time on my channel I'm going to do a Halloween look for this year. Even though Halloween is not celebrated in India, I just love the concept, and that is the reason why I'm going to do this look today. Now, because this is my first ever attempt at doing a Halloween makeup look, so I'm gonna keep it really simple and easy because it's my first time. I really don't want to mess it up, but it will be spooky. Okay, for those who are new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I really hope that you enjoy this video and have fun watching it. I'm gonna start with the base, and for the base I'm using my Huda Beauty 4 filter foundation, and this shade is Panna Cotta, but it is way too light for me, so I'm gonna mix it with my Clarins BB cream and apply it. I know this is not at all my shade, this is way too light for me, but for the makeup, for the look that I'm doing today, I really need a very light fair skin so that the makeup I'm doing really pops out on the face. Now I'm gonna do a little contouring, and for the contouring I'm going in with the KKW contour sticks, and this is the shade medium. For the eyes, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna start with the base, and for the base I'm using Kylie Cosmetics I Want It All palette, and I'm going with the shade 1942. Next I'm gonna take this shade from Huda Beauty's Coral Obsession palette. Next I'm gonna take the shade Embark from MAC's Light Festival palette. Next I'm gonna take the shade Midnight and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes to give it a more smoky look. And on the inner lid area I'm gonna apply the shade Buttercream Frosting. Now I'm gonna apply a very thin line of eyeliner, and I'm going in with Revlon's Color Stay Skinny liquid liner. And now I'm gonna apply the mascara, and the mascara I'm using is Clarins Supra Volume Mascara. And now for the main part of this video, we're gonna create something spooky, and the first step is that I'm gonna make kind of a triangular shape up my eyebrow. I'll be using my normal eyebrow pencil for giving the outlining. And again I'm gonna make a sort of a triangle from my lower eye. And on the nose I'm gonna make a small circle right on the tip. And for the lips I'm gonna make that you know, those creepy wide smiles that we have, that sort of a thing. And now we're just going to color it all black. Now I'll apply a red lipstick on the lips, and then I'll try to blend this black color with the lipstick. Now I'm gonna apply some glitter on the tips of these triangles. And finally, I will apply small sequences on the tips of the triangle. Okay, I completely forgot to do the nose part, and I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so this is finally it. This is my final look, and for my first attempt on this Halloween look, I am quite happy with me. I think I've done a really good job. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, had fun watching it, because I enjoyed a lot doing it. This was really fun for me. Please don't forget to like this video. I've done a lot of hard work in making this video. Don't forget to comment and tell me how you liked this video. Also, you can give me any suggestion if you want, or any new look that you want me to do. And most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that you all had a nice time watching it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.